with that St. Mary. St. Mary with that. St. Mary with St.
Oh, you gotta be careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
Hey, Paris. Blessed day to you. It's another day. We're under some weather here, but I see like the sun here come out in the afternoon. But I just want to say welcome once more to another video. It's like a little vloggy video. I'm going to make him dinner. Yeah, dinner, Panda Thursday, Ben Johnson Day dinner. So, I did buy salt mackerel a while ago. I'm going to make salt mackerel and some dumpling, but I think I'm going to make bulgur dumpling. I don't really want to eat one, but them don't want the bulgur dumpling. So, I have the challenge again. So, I'm going to make, I think I can find some of the look a long time, but I don't want to see me freeze. I think so. So, I'm going to look if I see bulgur. But let me welcome you all once more. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting. Thanks to all the extra people who've been sending belated birthday wishes. Thank you all so much. And I am giving thanks. I am here. Yeah. Remember to make sure that you check out our other two channels, the Jamaican Cooking Journey and Debbie's Jamaican Family. Thank you all for tuning in to Debbie's Jamaican Family. Been watching the videos with me and Camera Girl, trying to give you some entertainment. Because these are, let me tell you all, let me tell you, Paris, these are some challenging times. So I'm trying to give you a little content over there that makes you laugh. Sometimes we do serious, like, you know, we have our little discussions and so on, life issues, and you know, we try to shed a light on it from my perspective as an elder and from her perspective as a young person coming up. So thanks for watching, thanks for supporting, thanks for your comments. We thank you all so much. We try to do our best, and remember, it doesn't matter what we do. Not everybody is gonna agree with what we discuss or what we say, what we believe in, and we quite understand that. So it is okay. We are just thanking you to come along, give your input, and do it decent. You might not agree with what we say, okay? But you can just say your piece, you know? And we don't expect you either. We don't expect you to be in agreement with everything that we say. Who are we for you to be? No, we are not God. So we are just sharing, and sharing is caring. So hello, thanks for watching. Remember to go back to the Jamaican Cooking Journey and watch the videos. Remember to thumbs up the video, fam. Remember to give the videos a like. Remember to share them out. Remember to watch it as a some get a look at something. Some can buy things to make, cook, and all of them look at something. So remember the holiday period that come now. Me go look if me see any bulgur. Bulgur dumpling that is on the channel. Yeah, man, so want something with the bulgur. So you know me I go do. I have some little thing in my kitchen for straighten up. Me I get them straighten up, and me I come back. Me I will show you. But the in depth of the, there is a video there on the channel. I'm gonna link it for you. What I show now for me bulgur dumpling. I love bulgur dumpling from me. I'll go pick me a gas school, you know. So I link that for you. So okay, you'll catch me in the next video. It's a kind of little. It's not bad today. Yesterday this time it was raining cats and dogs, but it's not bad today. So it look like it rain maybe a kind of move some kind of way. So I have some little straightening up for do. So not a lot. So I'm gonna do it. Get my tin, get my salt mackerel put a soak. And when you see me next, I'm gonna start the ball rolling. With dinner, I'm gonna make salt mackerel dumpling. I'm gonna make flour dumpling for them. Them don't want the bulgur, but me not want the plain bulgur flour dumpling. No. And me I find some banana in there, so me have ripe plant, but I don't know if I can find it. It must be way down in that, what's that? Where is that place now? Way down into the deep freeze. I don't know if I can go down in there now, but when you see me next clip, me onto some food, okay? Me I make the flour, me I try to see if I can take the camera here, but I know I go on feet, but me I make 2 plain dumpling, not a lot. It look like me not even making enough, but that's so. So, carrying up look nearer to his stove. Yeah, I make 2 plain dumplings so. And then me I gonna make the bulgur dumpling then. This is some, put some Irish. You know, in Jamaica we say Irish. I try to get sweet potato, but I never get any. So, I have Irish. So, I'm a man who eat boiled Irish, you know. I cook too. But I'm a girl when I eat boiled Irish potato. Full with it. Neither in a soup, nor nothing at all when I eat boiled Irish. But, I'm not sure if I can find me. So I get 5 dumplings. It might work. I don't know. Dad might eat it. I'm not an Irish potato girl for cook. Right, boil so. So long when I use this a tripod here. Over show me up here. So you take camera so. Now make my bulgur dumpling now, no? See you man. Deal with that thing here. So remember if you don't want to know if you make the bulgur yeah, you know if you go up on the cooking channel. I uploaded that video some years ago. So you can go and go look how you deal with the bulgur dumpling. Just want a little bit of water in this. So my dumpling I go have some olive fiber. You know, comes a girl that like me dumpling. If you're there with me long time, you will know that. I like from me I pick them and I eat it. You know, time my mother make dumpling, she have to make one flour dumpling for me. Show that me and she said, no Sam, that's why me end up stick to the banana dumpling. Yeah, me love the banana dumpling. I love it more than the green plant dumpling. Me no, for me alone, me no in a caramel dumpling thing. I no deal with it. Me no, from I was a child, I don't in a caramel dumpling. So me I know me I make the, what a dumpling and name the bulgur dumpling. I we used to get it when we go to school, remember that? But that's the bulgur and the flour put together. So you know the bulgur full of fiber. Yeah. I mean I try kind of keep out from the little flour dumpling. I'm never too fancy neither to say it on my first go to. But nobody really can be dumpling. I really want it. Not thank nobody for it. So look, see it here? You see it? I bulgur dumpling do this, you know. See it? Yeah. So fiber filled dumpling this. So I know so when I eat this, I don't have to worry. Cause certain things when I eat it, it constipate me enough. Man, look here. Look at this bulgur dumpling. My name didn't remember if I put look what's that thing? I soon tell you. Look at it. Look how you're crying, don't it? But it's okay. That God. Look how weird, that's true. Look how funny we are. Sometimes when time my nerves up, some little things look how weird to me. You know that? You have some little thing there. You don't know them little weird there? Yeah. And now we have a little thing there. So, them say them not eat it. So see what it look like? With the whole heap of fiber. This better than caramel dumpling. Because I know say caramel has still starch. See it? Yeah, so you see it? I make bulgur. I may have more bulgur more than the regular one. I not eat more than about 2 of them dumplings. I will look at salt mackerel. So, me put up the rest and fry it over. And I can't even re-eat them. I'm not dumpling somebody to that in a fan. Like how some people can't eat dumpling every day. You know, every day God send them make dumpling. I don't know one day, you know. I mean, I try to eat less of the rice too, especially the white rice. Lord God. We worse when you not get the good one. Drop them in here. And when I'm through, I'm going to put in 2 Irish. I never peel them because they're not really big. And then I'll see if I can find. I have the what is something the name? I have the mackerel. You don't know me and the little two little last dumpling there. I don't know if like they set me so. So, like this. Alright? So. Look at the rain take time I go away from we. Alright. It's leaving them time here, you know. It's leaving them time here, you know, childless. We're not real, you know. Yeah, man, you see that even then time here. The rain stand up so and we make me something there. Lord have mercy. Stir the dumpling there. Yeah. So I wash off the mackerel, put it for soap. Me have it as soap butter. Almost an hour I have it in pan the second soap, you know. So look here. Girl done with dumpling. Yeah? I'm through with the dumpling. I don't really cook. I don't know, you know. When we are picnic, we love dumpling. Now that you become an adult, them things there. We're not two in them sitting there again. One little, you know, light eating, all dumpling them to puff up your belly all and something there, you know. Fam, you see what I say? When you are picnic. My Bible says when we were a child, we speak as a child. We do as children do, but now we for dumpling. Them are Indian, I don't know. Them kind of we eat in now and then. They mostly love the fried dumpling. So I have this bag with some potatoes left back. I call them go buy it. So I want to make a video with some of them have to make a video for the cooking channel. But I think you might see this that I'm doing. So I'm going to take two. I have to take a few tight and wash them, cook them in the skin. But I'm not sure. I'm not the potato girl. Just put the potato in my mouth now. So 2 baguettes in there. So right about now, I put about 3. You know the potato smelly there, you know. Oh yeah. May I turn on with me? Every time I turn. My turn on with me. Turn on with me. Put on up on the tripod. Turn on with me. Turn you all with me. I use a little brush here. Now I turn my back, you see? And wash the potato. Yep. So I'll put them in a pot then now. And I'm going to go see if I can find one bag. I've done some water in a little pot. And I'm going to go see if I can find things. Now look for a knife. Jesus. I look for a knife down here, so. I look for a pointed knife. Oh, just put it. You know, put a little part through the potato. Yeah. That you cook. When you do it so the potato, you cook quick. Because like how I now cut it, I just cook it nice skin and then peel it. This is my little a Colby and she and me. What you call the knife we use and kind of deboning knife. She take it out of the something so. Put in my potato and now see me. Put in my potatoes. Yeah. Turn down that. Alright. So that's it. Let me have too much water in that too. Say, bulgur dumpling, them so them are green up though. Fiber dumpling. You must cook some of that for your family. It's good, it's nice, pea soup, anything. As opposed to the then only for flour dumpling, especially some of them flour nowadays in a farm. Trust me man, they're not good for it. So me I gotta take a little break. I'm gonna go. I ain't got any tomatoes. I'm gonna buy tomato for them morning. I'm gonna frighten for tomato. I have onions, me have scallion. So I cook it up with piece of red onion, one white onion, scallion, garlic. That's a lot. I don't think I have nothing else. I don't have nothing else. I put my little vinegar and a little bit of black pepper, my little piece of country pepper that I go do. I don't buy no tomato for them, they breed that money. Because no doctor no prescribe tomato for me. So the sun take time. Like I said, anytime I with chili, you know. But we are give thanks because look here, we can't complain too much. If everything happen for complain, me think Father we tired that way and can't please we. So I'm just giving thanks, you know, because yesterday even this weekend, because they're saying that it will be passing Jamaica, moving to the west by today. So they have flash flood watch in place for the island till 5 o'clock this evening. So it seems like it's passing on. So we give God the glory. And although it's passing, we don't want it to do no damage. We still have prayer. Because from me hear about it, where they start praying, no, start prayer. Yes, so we don't want it go do no damage no way and cause no mayhem. So we are still praying. So guess what I'm doing? I'm going to take a look at break from now. I'm going to see if I can find 2 of the berry banana them when we did freeze. But when me and Uno peel together and sit, some of them might get like a black door, you know, because sometimes that plug out the deep freeze when we use the AC and stuff, kind of cut them on the bill. So they might run like a black, but guess what we had with their food with them. So the bananas that we peeled when you and I peel and see if I can berry, I'm going to search for one pack of them and I cook 2 bananas. So basically, it's like, I'm not getting a pumpkin, I'm getting a sweet potato. I love sweet potato. So, next clip, Paria. Dinner, I make do you know, next clip. So, guys, this is what I've my bag. You remember this? With me, I want to peel together. Yeah. Look. And I show you frozen green bananas. So, I'm going to take some, I see me freeze it with some lime skin. You remember? Yeah. Water there, so. Water is coming to a strong boil, so I'm gonna put some in there now. It might get a little blackish, you know, but we know we leave green banana and you know, so some of them break up from the kind of touch it up a while ago, you know. I'm not put no more because you see them people, my family don't eat. I just really me I realize that them not eat only for green banana. They don't, my salty pot already, they don't eat a lot of green banana farm. But I realize that banana always a throw it in this house here. So let me see how them go gravitate to it. You know that a long time the green banana not cooking. Yeah. So dumpling and Irish they take time. Them still are going with them thing here. So I don't want to cover it fully for it to boil over because you know so the dumpling there. It but how did you get inside here? How did you get in here? Terrence, how fly get in here? No. So I don't know how a fly came in here. I don't know where a fly come from. And a fly coming in is a place to replace mesh. It's the hardest thing out. But look. When I don't see my next, that's supposed to ready. And me I go. Because when I see my next, I'm supposed to fix up the salt mackerel, don't know, right? I must say, we're making dinner. Just look how Ben Johnson did dinner. So, next clip. The rain look like it take time to subside from we. Alright, Parry. Yeah, I'm sure now I'm going to put up here. Now, see in my pot? Should. Alright, me put up this scallion. Me have oil and me have black pepper and vinegar in there already. So me have to stop already go deal with something very important. Take up a little time. Me have to go But that them supposed to can do. I look about this. So the food ready. The banana them cook. Banana cook everything. And just the mackerel. I salt out here now. I use some red onion. I don't really like the red onion for certain things, you know. I like the red onion for like more like salads. That's what I like. Whether you call it red or purple, whatever. I really like it more for salad. But comment and tell me what you do. Pickle or salad for the red onion then for me. So no comment and tell me. I like it in a salad and I like it for making pickles. But certain things I don't like it for. This I got 2 little slices of this because I don't know, say me have one big baby when it comes to pepper. Oh no, let me have the big baby here. When it comes to the pepper, not sure. So, I'm gonna put on the cover. I want to go on here so. That must have put up the cover. Could. So I'll leave that for something there, Parry. Food ready, you see it? Banana bulgur dumpling and flour dumpling and look here. But I with it in a banana them this, you know. Thank God for Jesus. Because something me not seen on out the road and if you see it out there you can't buy. So I good like that with mine them. Yeah, how much months now I still have the banana. So look here. May I leave that for one cook down and something so. May I go start put the food together. So wanna see me again? I'm gonna have some food ready. So you want to see this? Just put a little ketchup in it because look here. I'm just trying to survive. Here, survival. To make the gravy have a little reddish look there. You see it? You see it? Yeah. I'm not broth out nothing. I survive. In this time I went tomato. It's sky high. So girl not try for show off. Girl I try to live and make our family eat. And not stress out yourself about the price of things. See it? Put a little ketchup. You see it? Not look bad. Not sure. Yeah, alright. So I'm going to dish out one plate for the Terence and I'm going to dish out some for myself. I'm not really going to dish out nothing for the kids then. Them can dish out them food themselves, mama. No say gravy shot, you know. Papa Jesus, gravy shot Parry. You don't know say me good for that, not true. You don't know say that a Debbie king for make gravy shot. Why? You know, so I never tell them I can't find the planting, you know. Can't find the planting. I know say it in the deep freeze in the plant, but a long time I never got that ends there, so it kind of I don't know what is gonna happen to these Irish, you know. I don't know if everybody are gonna eat. My kids them are gonna eat. Them more are gonna eat dumplings, so no me I scrape off this. You know it go the name already there. Scrape off this today. Alright fam, see that dinner yeah. No no so the berry banana them and we make the best of them. You turn up one conqueror man, see food there? Yeah. 2 flour dumpling, Irish potato and 2 banana. I'm gonna make a plate for myself now. See? Nothing big. Alright, Paris, see my little food there? You see it? I take 2 of my bulgur dumpling and I take most of the banana. Because you see my kids them, already me I realize I pitney them, they no love. You see bulgur dumpling? Wow. I'll catch one right next. So Paris, it is the next day. I did not get to come back and finish the video. We were doing something and it took us almost into bedtime. So let's come back to finish video. It's another day. It's the weekend, the start of the weekend. And look here, I'm taking it really slow. Yeah, me still I celebrate. Well, I'm not celebrating. I still I take it easy from my birthday. Actually, I'm here and I'm watching a movie. I'm gonna say, look here, I'm gonna come finish. Just get a little talk. Finish up the vlog, the video or whatever. When the dinner was good, it was fine. Salt mackerel. It's only that I realize now when I eat salt mackerel, it kind of take a little time for digest. But it was okay. I have left back bulgur dumpling, so we put that in the fridge. Maybe you'll see me sometime I reheat it, fry it over, but it was good. The bulgur, when you put a lot of bulgur, you don't have that. Yeah, it kind of just dry and different from the whole flour of itself. So if you want to make that, the full tutorial is on the cooking channel. I'm gonna link up the bulgur dumpling for you. We used to have it when we were going to school. But when our one cook it look brown, it looked like they must have put cornmeal with it. But me don't want no cornmeal. It seemed to me as if they had put cornmeal all for them bulgur did. Or maybe them never wash it, because me wash my bulgur. It did have a brown look when we did get bulgur. I think they put cornmeal with it, but I like the bulgur. So it's a weekend. My, how 1 week passed by. Oh God, thank you for watching. I'll be starting another vlog for you sometime during this day too, but I'm here just kicking back a little. Me and Dad are taking a movie or two. Yeah, right here, so. On the couch and all of them something there. You see my pillow, them, my cushion, them, and my blanket, and my little part that Dad was sitting right there, so you know me, so. It's bright out on the outside. Yeah, so when I start taking a little movie, see, just chill, just a little chill moment, Yeah, man, so I just want to say thanks for watching. Thanks for watching all the videos. Thanks for leaving me comments. Thanks for engaging. Special thanks to those who took the time out to wish me happy birthday. Then they even did remember it's my birthday. But look, your life gets so busy nowadays. So much things to do. Life is just on the changing part. Me and Daddy that time. I don't know where. I'm going on a back and I'm very out there, You can get up and go and do something and he not tell me, so you get up and do something and not tell me that you're out there doing one thing. So, but I just want you to remember that. Try to make sure that you're taking your peace of mind. You're taking everything slow. Try to make sure, you're just taking it easy. Because I realize that as I go up into age, it's a different feeling that takes you. You have to think about your mental health. As you think about your kids getting older and very soon they'll be not around with you. Them are going to depend on one or do for them one or something. You are going to have a different way of life outside of your kids. It's going to be like a different life. But tell me, as you get older, how do you think? What are the feelings that you get? I am trying to just take it slow. May I try to see if I can gear up myself, put myself in a position that I have some me time. You start having kids, you're not getting a time for yourself. I'm trying to see if I can regain some of those happy, not really happy, but times, even though you're older, may I try to see how may I go work it out as I get older. Me and Dad as we get up into age and so the two away. Someday, very soon, we are going to be living together. So we have to be thinking, making preparation. I don't want to be old and unhappy. I don't want to be unhappy. So I have to, I'm trying to make a schedule for, although, let me tell you, this life you can't make no plans, but with the help of God, yeah, you're the man blow up on the outside. It's Friday. And As you pray and go along, put your trust in a God, because these are some different times. Not even how you did anticipate things for God. But I just want to tell you something. Just do your thing. Ask God to guide you. Careful of the people. Careful of the people that you let into your life. If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have gotten so much hurt. But be careful of the people you let into your life, worse as you grow older. You know? And remember, the people that dislikes you the most are not the ones that are far from you. They are the ones that are nearest to you. Thanks for loving. Thanks for supporting. I'll catch you again with another vlog, another video, another St. Mary vlog. You never know where you will get next on the Jamaican Debbie Deb strain. Remember to tell me which is the favorite part of this little. It wasn't all that, me know. But thanks for watching.